So guys, to fix this problem, you want to click on the power button, and then you want to hold shift and then click on restart, which will then take you to this screen. Another way to get to this screen is by turning off and on your computer 3 times. Every single time you see the Windows logo, you want to turn off your computer and then turn it back on. Once you see the Windows logo again, you want to turn it off and then turn it back on again. Do that 3 times and it will take you to this screen. And now once you're on this screen, you want to click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options and then click on command prompt. So now guys, once you're on this, you want to make sure that you're in the drive where you have Windows installed on. So right now it might be saying X for you. You want to make sure that you're in the drive that you have Windows installed on. It's most likely going to be on your C drive, so type in C:, which will then change this to C. Now once you're in this, you're going to type in dir, click on enter. And if you see Windows and program files, it means you're on the correct drive. So now we're going to type in dism space / image : C : / space / cleanup - image space / revert pending actions, and click on enter. Now once you've done that, we're going to type in exit to now close this. Now once you do that, we're going to click on troubleshoot again, then click on advanced options. Now we're going to open up the command prompt again. And now once you're on this, you want to make sure you're on the drive where you have Windows installed on. So you might have to type in C: again, click on enter, then it's going to say C for you again. And now you want to type in dir, click on enter, just to confirm if you have Windows and program files. And now we're going to type in chkdsk space /f space /r and then click on enter. And now you want to type in Y and then click on enter. Now you want to type in exit, click on enter, and now you want to click on continue. And then go back to Windows 11 and then the problem should be fixed.